In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily view and understand your trading positions in Ctrader. Whether you're just starting out or looking to get more comfortable with the platform, this walkthrough will guide you step by step, helping you to keep track of your trades and make better informed trading decisions. Let's start by opening up the Ctrader platform. Once you launch Ctrader, you'll find a sleek, intuitive interface designed to give you quick access to essential trading information. To view your trades, look towards the main dashboard area and you'll notice a couple of key tabs: Trade Watch and Positions. These tabs are your main gateways to monitoring all your open trades. Go ahead and click on either the Trade Watch or Positions tab. Both serve the same purpose for our needs today and will show you the details of your active trades. Now, with the tab open, you'll see a list of all the financial instruments you're currently trading, such as currency pairs, commodities, or indices. Scroll through this list and select the specific instrument you want to focus on. Once you've chosen an instrument, you'll notice a detailed breakdown of your trading activity for that instrument. Here, you can see essential information about your open positions. At a glance, you'll spot your current open trades, which represent the active investments you have in the market for the selected instrument. This is particularly useful for staying organized if you are trading multiple instruments at once. Right next to your open positions, Ctrader displays your current profit or loss, typically updated in real time. This figure shows whether you're making money or incurring a loss on each position, so you'll know exactly where you stand at any moment. You'll also see the volume for each trade, which tells you the size of your investment. Understanding your position size is crucial for managing risk and ensuring you're trading within your risk tolerance. For more precise tracking, the platform shows your entry price, along with your set stop loss or SL and take profit or TP levels. These prices are critical as your entry establishes the point at which your trade began, while the stop loss and take profit help you manage losses and lock in profits automatically according to your chosen strategy. Finally, there are two more vital figures to keep an eye on: margin and free margin. Your margin is the amount of capital currently allocated to maintain your open trades, while free margin represents the remaining available funds in your account that you could use to open new positions or protect against potential losses. That's all there is to it. By regularly checking these tabs and details in Ctrader, you'll stay on top of your trading activity and make smarter decisions. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more helpful tips on trading platforms.